In this video, we will cover a skin condition which is psoriasis vulgaris or also known as plaque psoriasis. It is the most common form of psoriasis, which is a chronic autoimmune skin condition that speeds up the growth cycle of skin cells. This leads to the buildup of cells on the surface of skin, due to which there is a formation of scaly plaques. Now, these plaques are typically red or pink, covered with silvery white scales, and they can be itchy or painful. Now, what are the key features of psoriasis vulgaris? First is the plaque formation. The most characteristic feature is the appearance of raised, inflamed patches or plaques, which are often covered by silvery scales. Now, these plaques can appear anywhere on the body but are most commonly found on elbows, knees, scalp, lower back, hands and feet. Itching and discomfort. Now, these plaques can be itchy and scratching may lead to further irritation, cracking or bleeding. Chronic and cyclic nature. Now, psoriasis vulgaris tends to follow a cyclical pattern with periods of flare-ups when symptoms worsen and remission when symptoms improve or clear up. Inflammation. The immune system mistakenly attacks healthy skin cells, lead to overproduction of skin cells. Now, there is also change in some nail condition. About half of people with psoriasis may experience nail involvement, which can include pitting, discoloration, thickening or separation of the nail from the nail bed. In picture it is clear. Association with other conditions. Now, it can be linked with other health issues such as first is psoriatic arthritis, which is also known as joint inflammation, cardiovascular disease, and depression and anxiety. Now, what are the causes and risk factors? The exact cause of psoriasis is not fully understood, but it is believed to involve a combination of both genetic and environmental factors. First, we'll discuss genetic factors. Family history plays a significant role. If you have a close relative with psoriasis, then you are more likely to develop it. Second is immune system. Psoriasis is considered an autoimmune disease. I have already discussed it is an autoimmune disorder which mistakenly attacks our healthy skin cells, causing inflammation and rapid skin cell turnover. Triggers. Now, what are the factors that trigger this disease condition? It can be environmental or genetic factors. For example, stress, infections, example strep throat, skin infections, skin injuries like cuts, scrapes, sunburns, and certain medications like lithium, beta